That's where we got to bring.
We're starting in the where are we at right now?
Everybody understand where your spawn point is. It's not here. Top of the hill.
So that was fucking with me.
You gotta go.
Fucking hike it? Yeah, just fucking go up there, I guess.
Yeah, we cover up that whole zone.
Don't try not to fire until you get there, because the moment you fire, you're giving everybody a location.
Well, they know we're going to be going there anyway.
Well, they know we're going there, but let's really fire to give them, let's not give them, hey, 6 people.
How close we are.
Yeah.
Get this in.
Alright. I think that stands for each building.
Is there anything to this building?
Yeah. Is this a 2-story?
Okay, we got guys up there. See a vision. Clear. Clear. Okay, hold this side of it. Okay, we got friendlies in the double.
Well, are they still pushing from this side?
Friendlies in the double, yeah. They're up there.
The fuck?
I don't know.
This building's good too. We got it.
Cheese. What you got in this? Hey.
Is that just an exit out here?
To the brewery.
Ryan moved to the brewery,
Yeah,
he
I think
said.
he's right there on the outside. Hey, Ambition, it's right on the outside of that building.
I'm gonna move over to your side.
Okay. Let me take a look. Your first one. We're good. We got friendlies over there?
Yeah.
We're moving this way, and then we're gonna head that way. Okay. You want to cover fire for me while I move out? Yeah. All right. That's what I'm doing. All right. Let me know when you're ready. Right behind you. Clear, man. Go. Right behind you. Go.
Yeah, we gotta get to that building right across the street.
All right. See you coming in.
In that building right across from us?
Yeah, it was corner.
Okay. Alright. Oh shit, is that another guy right there? He wasn't putting his hands up, so free game. Camera one.
Three, one diner. All right, first PG&E. Right across the two buildings. So they're gonna be hey, heads up. And we haven't Mike yet. Okay. Yeah, hey, Jeremy. PG&E building next over. What do we got out here?
We got a guy in this corner building parallel to us. No, well, I'm shooting into this building just to hope there's no one there. I'm not sure if there are or not.
Wow, dude. I can't keep my gun full auto. It doesn't feed there. It doesn't feed right. It's too fast, I guess. Huh? What's your cycling too fast?
Is there still someone in this corner building?
Oh, hey, that window. Is there anybody in that window there? Hey, where? That pack one working for you? Hey, full auto doesn't work on my gun with this battery. It's too fast, dude. It's like the first couple ones are good, but the rest of them are shit. I don't think so. We're pinned down by that fucking guy. That works. That's all. Hey, is this guy arching? That's what I was wondering. Hey, we got a guy sitting there. Huh? Don't judge it. Fit a wall. No worries. Hey, Washington window. See the window? You guys trying to lob him out way the fuck out there.
Yay!
Hey, you can use that bad boy? Huh? You can use that bad boy? If we get up against the wall, are we going to get shot at? They're taking the windows. I can see them right now. Two of them went there. Dude, we gotta try. We can get some cover. I think we can get the guys at PG. There's no water in it. Yeah, where do we need to go? We need to get the Mom's Diner or PG. Oh, just cross over. Just cross over. All the way over. Hey, watch this. Hey, what's our objective? You missing anyone?
Yeah, we're all here.
Oh
shit, that's right.
Hey, where's Mikey?
It's right there. Where? Oh.
Oh, Mikey's back there. I'd rather run for it and get shot. Yeah, cover. Go to the next building. Oh shit, there's friendlies in there. All right. Well, okay, no, but that one is not. Hey, yeah. Hey, wait, there's one over there. Hold up.
Is he in the doorway or the window?
Doorway and window.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
We got a lot of people here.
2 minutes.
We're not calling their hit star. We fired the hell out of them, and now what?
He's peeking around. He's peeking around.
Get him down, let him run. Anyone want to run with us? Far back there. Here, hold on. Let's get me some fire. Okay, you want to get me fire there? I'm going to back around and give you that fire. Hey, right there, moving in the ring. Got it. Hey, anyone else want to move? You guys want to be there, bro? I think we can. We've got friendlies down there already. Let's get on and roll up with them. We got 3 guys want to push up.
You want to move out with them?
Where are you guys trying to go?
Straight across. Straight across and Mom's Diner.
All right.
Hey, you're not getting out that door. That's better to go out this door and go around that door on this side.
Huh?
We still need a team for the police station to get our objective to get the boss dying.
Who's going to the police station?
Yeah, we think that's about fun, guys.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, now.
Go. He's in the other room.
I don't see anybody at the door.
Here you go.
Go, 2 by 2.
Hey,
Go. We got friendly. Go. We're friendly. Go.
Shit, watch it.
Oh, right there. Hey, you're out! That dude's getting lit up! In the brewery! There's one across this way. The brewery! He's out!
He knows he's out.
Okay.
He's going back.
He's coming from that way? I thought you blasted both of them. There were 2 runners.
Wait, oh shit, is that ACU in that tree? Look at that tree. Tree to your right.
Yeah.
That's ACU?
Yeah. Put the fire on him.
I don't think I got a hit. No, he's still there. He's still there. He's still at that fucking tree. Look at this. There's a tree directly in front of us. He's just hiding behind it.
Fuck that. That's too small to split. What?
No, he's still there.
No, I can't. Dude, he's fucking not. He's not exposing himself.
He is, but not very much.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah. He's firing right down on us.
We still got friends in the brewery.
Say again.
I can't hear you. Hey, I can't hear you over the comm.
I can't hear you either.
Can you hear me now?
No.
Are you still on 15?
Go left. Go there from the left.
Check me. I can't hear you like that. Come here.
Yeah, you're on 15. You should be good. House, can you hear me?
Roger.
See, I can't fucking hear you for some reason.
Can you hear me? No?
Just fuck it. Whatever. We're together right now anyway.
Alright. What's going on? What's game plan?
Ow! Fucking out. These.
Where's it coming from? This way.
The brewery?
You want me to roll with you?
Ready? Hold on. Are they in the brewery?
Yeah.
They're in the brewery?
Fuck. Fuck.
Alright.
I'm going straight. Should we just go with them? Let's go. Fuck it. Do we not have enough people in there?
No, there's nobody.
Fuck it. Shit, where did... Because everyone took off. Which sides are they going to be coming down? That side? Are they allowed to... I don't know off spawn if they're allowed to come down there, though. Well, they're pushing up there either way. Watch that one free window. I don't know. 'Cause I don't think I can hit him. He's too far away.
Where is it?
This, if you count this building, it's 4 buildings up. If you count 1, 2, 3, he's in the 3rd one up here. He keeps popping out this right side window.
Ouch.
Is it that window's hot?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hell no. Hell no. Guys, that corner's fucking hot. Oh yeah. There's a guy in the building like straight across. At least one.
Watch it. Watch it. There's a guy. Watch the first window. Alright. Joe, Ben, you guys can get on the side. If you guys can get on the side, the other side.
Alright.
That'd be great. See? The guy behind that tree or in the window? He's in the window where the... Hey, I'm gonna go get my ball. Alright, get your ball.
Get my ball.
Well, I have a guy over here. He's got 3 guys to shoot on that. Go ahead. Go. I'm going to get him.
Fuck, are they in this building across from us? Oh shit, fuck that.
I see the end of his gun.
Hey, nobody shot the windows here. What's it hooked to?
He's right out the fucking window across from you, Irish. He's got a pistol on you guys, watch it. I think I might have got him in the hand, I don't know. Right across the way, dude, watch it. Got you?
He's laying down right out here. Come up.
Irish, you say he's laying down over here. Do you see him?
No, yeah, I see him in the first window.
You have a gun?
He's laying down where?
I don't know. He just said in this corner, like this way.
Yeah, he's in the square.
Oh, out.
Hey, come on.
Coming out!
Well, I got this building.
Fuck, don't do it.
Shoot at me.